A comfortable home depends on more than just temperature control. Proper airflow plays a major role in creating a fresh, inviting indoor environment. In Slidell, where warm temperatures and humidity are common throughout much of the year, homeowners often look for ways to improve ventilation and increase indoor comfort. One often overlooked solution is the installation of modern patio doors. While patio doors are frequently chosen for their aesthetic appeal and easy access to outdoor living spaces, they also offer significant ventilation benefits. By promoting better airflow and creating a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor environments, patio doors can help homeowners enjoy a more comfortable and refreshing living space. Creating larger openings for fresh air. One of the biggest advantages of patio doors is their ability to provide a wide opening when needed. Unlike standard entry doors or smaller windows, patio doors allow a substantial amount of fresh air to enter the home. Whether choosing sliding patio doors or hinged French doors, homeowners gain access to a larger opening that encourages natural airflow. This increased ventilation can help replace stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. During mild weather conditions, opening patio doors can quickly improve air circulation throughout the home. Supporting natural cross-ventilation. Cross-ventilation occurs when air enters through one opening and exits through another, creating continuous airflow through interior spaces. Patio doors are particularly effective at supporting cross-ventilation because of their size and placement. When combined with windows or additional doors on opposite sides of the home, patio doors can help create a natural airflow path that moves fresh air throughout multiple rooms. This circulation helps remove stagnant air and promotes a fresher indoor atmosphere without relying entirely on mechanical ventilation systems. Helping reduce indoor staleness. Indoor air can sometimes become stale due to everyday activities such as cooking, cleaning, and regular occupancy. Without adequate ventilation, odors and trapped air can linger longer than desired. Opening patio doors allows fresh outdoor air to enter while helping indoor air circulate more effectively. This improved airflow can contribute to a more pleasant living environment and help eliminate stuffy conditions. Homeowners often notice that rooms feel brighter, fresher, and more inviting when ventilation is improved. Improving comfort during mild weather. While air conditioning remains important during warmer months, there are many days when outdoor conditions are comfortable enough to enjoy natural ventilation. Patio doors provide homeowners with the flexibility to take advantage of these favorable conditions. Opening the doors allows fresh air to flow through the home, helping create a comfortable indoor environment without immediately relying on cooling equipment. This natural ventilation can enhance comfort while providing an enjoyable connection to the outdoors. Enhancing outdoor living experiences. Many homeowners in Slidell enjoy spending time on patios, decks, and outdoor entertainment areas. Patio doors help strengthen the connection between these spaces and the home's interior. When patio doors are open, indoor and outdoor areas feel more integrated, creating a larger and more versatile living environment. Guests can move easily between spaces, and fresh air can circulate freely throughout the home. This seamless transition enhances both functionality and enjoyment during gatherings, family events, and everyday activities. Encouraging better airflow in common living areas. Patio doors are often installed in high-traffic spaces such as living rooms, family rooms, dining areas, kitchens. These rooms benefit greatly from improved airflow because they are frequently occupied and often serve as gathering spaces. Better ventilation helps maintain a comfortable atmosphere while promoting air circulation where it is needed most. Homeowners can enjoy a more refreshing environment during both everyday living and special occasions. Bringing in natural light along with fresh air. Patio doors feature large glass panels that allow abundant natural light to enter the home. This combination of sunlight and fresh air can significantly improve the overall feel of interior spaces. Bright, naturally lit rooms often feel larger, more welcoming, and more enjoyable to spend time in. When paired with improved ventilation, patio doors contribute to a healthier and more comfortable living environment. The result is a home that feels open, airy, and connected to the outdoors. Modern patio doors offer energy efficiency. Many homeowners worry that larger glass areas may affect energy performance. Fortunately, today's patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Modern patio door systems often include double or triple pane glass, low E glass coatings, insulated frames, advanced weather stripping, energy efficient glass packages. These features help maintain indoor comfort when the doors are closed while still providing excellent ventilation opportunities when opened. A valuable upgrade for Slidell Homes patio doors offer far more than convenient outdoor access. They play an important role in improving ventilation, enhancing natural airflow, and creating a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. For homeowners in Slidell, modern patio doors provide an effective way to increase comfort, encourage fresh air circulation, and enhance the overall enjoyment of their homes. Whether used for everyday ventilation or entertaining guests, patio doors are a practical and attractive upgrade that delivers benefits throughout the year.